2025, Toyota has just introduced a brand new SUV called Crown Scania right before the 2023 Los Angeles Auto Show. This model is designed specifically for North America, adding to Toyota's expanding Crown lineup, which is now making waves across the globe. The Crown Scania is the second model for the Crown series to be available in North America and the fourth worldwide. It shares its foundation with the Crown sedan, as both are built on the same platform at Toyota's factory in Japan. This gives the Scania a solid base, combining the reliability Toyota is known for with the luxury and performance expected from Crown series. What makes the Scania stand out is its hybrid powertrain. Under the hood, it features a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with electric motors. This hybrid setup not only enhances fuel efficiency but also provides a smooth driving experience. One of the electric motors is positioned on the rear axle, enabling all-wheel drive, which is particularly useful for those tricky road conditions like snow or rain. In terms of design, the Crown Scania leans more towards a tall wagon style rather than a traditional boxy SUV. Its sleek and modern look is accentuated by slim front lights and a clean, streamlined profile. This design choice gives it a sophisticated appearance, appealing to those who want a blend of style and practicality. Inside the Crown Scania, you will find an interior that closely mirrors that of the Crown sedan. It features a digital instrument cluster and a large touchscreen display, keeping everything you need at higher fingertips. Toyota offers the Scania in two trims, XLE and Limited. Both versions come packed with modern technology, ensuring that drivers and passengers stay connected and comfortable on the road. One of the Crown Scania's key strengths is its spacious interior. There is plenty of room for passengers, and when the rear seats are folded down, you get even more cargo space, making it perfect for carrying larger items. While the Scania isn't built for serious off-roading, it excels as a comfortable and reliable vehicle for everyday driving. Its all-wheel drive system adds extra space of mind when tackling rough roads or bad weather, ensuring you stay in control no matter the conditions. When it comes to safety, the Crown Scania is equipped with Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 suite. This includes advanced features like adaptive cruise control,